We see all the time businesses that come into existence, rise, and then fall. You may be wondering if a business based on real estate is worth creating. Is there the possibility that the same thing could happen to this type of business? You wouldn't want to pay for something that, in the end, won't turn out to be successful. However, unlike most other businesses, real estate, to a large degree, tends to be a good investment to make and is considered by many to be the only real mainstay market. Even though the real estate market falls and rises, there are still many benefits to being in the real estate investment business. You can anticipate that if something occurs that might cause the real estate market to decrease, it will eventually, in time, rise back up. There is a consistent need for housing, and people are always moving into various neighborhoods and locations. No matter what type of real estate you are investing in, you can anticipate that someone will have the need to live on your property. Because real estate is part of the basic needs of people, it can be expected that someone will always be looking and others will just as often be selling. One of the advantages of real estate that gives it more stability no matter the economy is that there will always be a market for selling and buying. It can be expected that if the market is down, owners will still be working towards selling their homes in order to move somewhere more desirable. If the economy is good, then people will be considering buying homes that can offer more accommodations for their needs. This helps to keep real estate as one of the more stable markets among businesses. If you aren't certain about acquiring real estate, you don't need to look any further than the economy and how the fluctuation is always to the advantage of those owning property. No matter what the circumstances, people are always looking for a place to live. Investing in real estate is a certain way to maintain a stable income if you want to make sure that you are part of the trends in the marketplace.